Welcome back everyone, Mariah here, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the 2017 Bitcoin bull market. We're going to be talking about how many corrections we had that were 15 to 20%, 20 to 30%, and 30+%. How many opportunities during that period of time did you have a chance to get Bitcoin during a pullback at a great price? So one thing to consider is that I am starting this from when Bitcoin surpassed the previous all-time high from 2013. It was February 16th, 2017, where Bitcoin broke the previous all-time high of $1,106. Just to let you guys know, I am going to be using the Bitstamp chart, and let's get into it. So you can see here, in the beginning of March, there was a 27% pullback. The following month, or excuse me, in the same month, in March, there was a 33.49% pullback. And once again, in May, there was a 15.5% pullback. You can see here, also in May, a 33% Bitcoin pullback. This is all while Bitcoin is making new all-time highs. There are these opportunities to buy back into Bitcoin. Sometimes it took approximately a month, and sometimes it took just days for Bitcoin to pull back. Then again in June, almost 29% pullback. Once again in July, 30% pullback. This is all while Bitcoin is making new all-time highs. Once again in August, a nearly 20% pullback. And then here in September, there was a 40% pullback. I think it's really important to understand that we're probably at some point going to see a 40% pullback in the price of Bitcoin. When Bitcoin went from 42,000 down to 30,000, that was about a 28.5% pullback, but I do think that there will be some point in time during the bull market, this particular bull market, where Bitcoin sees a 40% pullback. And then you can see here in November, right before, the month before Bitcoin hit a top, approximately 1 month before Bitcoin hit $20,000, there was a 29.45% pullback. And then for about 30 days straight, Bitcoin made nearly new all-time highs every single day for 30 days, all the way as it ran up to $20,000. So I went ahead and just tallied up here all those pullbacks. So the 15 to 20% pullback, there were 2 of those. Between the 20 and the 30% pullback, there were 3 of those, and a 35+% pullback 4 times. So 9 major pullbacks in the price of Bitcoin during the 2017 bull market. So I considered the period of time of, like I said, when Bitcoin broke the previous all-time highs of 2013. So from, let's see, it was February 16th of 2017 is when Bitcoin broke its all-time highs, and for 10 straight months it was in a bull market. And so over a 10-month period of time, we saw nearly an average of 1 major pullback every single month. So the opportunities will absolutely come along the way. And we do know that as Bitcoin's market cap grows and it becomes more popular, the price will ultimately be somewhat more stable and less volatile over time. But like I said, if you're new to the Bitcoin game and this, $12,000 pullback just absolutely scared you, understand that that is normal for a Bitcoin bull market. And those are just ultimately opportunities. One thing that I think is really interesting and important to understand is that usually when people start freaking out about the price of Bitcoin, like my phone starts blowing up and people are like, what's going on? What's happening? Is Bitcoin dead forever? Those are usually like the best days to buy. And you're looking at prime periods of time. So check in with yourself. Are you feeling scared, sick to your stomach? Do you think it's gonna be over? Do you feel like you're gonna lose all of your money? Every time I felt that way, it's been the best days to buy. So just something to take into consideration. But as always, this is never financial advice. So that's all I have for you today. As always, go out there and create a portfolio that you love.